Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sea of Thieves on your iPhone. While the game isn't a native app, you can absolutely enjoy its vast open seas through the power of cloud gaming. This innovative technology streams the game directly to your device, allowing you to experience the full adventure without needing a powerful phone. Xbox Cloud Gaming is the primary service that makes this possible, bringing the high-quality console experience right into your hands, provided you have a solid internet connection. To begin your pirate journey, you'll first need an active subscription to Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. This grants you access to the extensive library of cloud-enabled games, including Sea of Thieves. Next, simply download the official Xbox app from the Apple App Store onto your iPhone. Once installed, log in using your Microsoft account associated with your Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Ensure your iPhone's operating system is up to date for the best compatibility and performance with the cloud service. For the most immersive and enjoyable Sea of Thieves experience, a Bluetooth-enabled controller is highly recommended. While touch controls are an option, a physical controller offers far greater precision and comfort for sailing, combat, and exploration. Easily pair your controller with your iPhone through your device's Bluetooth settings. After pairing, open the Xbox app, select Sea of Thieves, and you'll be ready to set sail. You'll get the full console or PC experience right on your mobile screen. To truly optimize your cloud gaming experience, prioritize a strong and stable internet connection, ideally using a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. This minimizes latency and ensures smooth, uninterrupted gameplay. Closing any unnecessary background applications on your iPhone can also free up valuable resources, improving performance. Consider investing in a phone clip that attaches your device to your controller for ergonomic comfort during longer play sessions. Finally, keep your iPhone well charged to avoid any unexpected interruptions to your swashbuckling adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.